हर मंडे हम बच्चों के साथ इंटरेक्शंस करते थे, जिससे बच्चों की प्रॉब्लम्स को सुनना, उनको मॉरल सपोर्ट देना, उनके होम टास्क को चेक करना, ये सब कुछ मैं खुद मॉनिटर करती थी। मेगा इवेंट योगा को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए बच्चों के साथ ऑनलाइन प्रैक्टिस सेशन किए गूगल मीट पे चल। वर्दी डायरेक्टर मैडम की वोकेशन में इंस्ट्रक्शंस पर उन्होंने आर्ट वर्कशॉप्स चलाई। इसके साथ साथ स्टाफ को भी बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला। वीकली असाइनमेंट्स भी चलती रहती थी। कभी कभी कुछ ऐसे टॉपिक्स भी आ जाते थे, जैसे लोकल कल्चर को प्रिजर्व करना और कैसे प्रमोट करना। आखिर में मैं अपनी वर्दी डायरेक्टर मैम का थैंक्स करना चाहूँगी, जिन्होंने हमारे स्टाफ और बच्चों का मार्गदर्शन किया और हमारे बच्चों और स्टाफ को बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला। थैंक्स।
नमस्कार जी। अस गल करचे इन्हें छुट्टियां दी ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਛੁੱਟੀਆਂ ਬੜੀਆਂ ਗਏ ਚੁਣੌਤੀਪੂਰਨ ਹੋਈਆਂ। ਚੁਣੌਤੀਪੂਰਨ ਇਸ ਕਰੀ ਆਖਾਂ ਕਿ ਜੇ ਇੱਕ ਤੇ ਕਰੋਨਾ ਦੀ ਮਾਰ ਔਰ ਦੂਆ ਇਹ ਜੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨਾ ਉਹ ਕੁਝ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਈ ਥਮਾਂ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਹਿ ਜਾਣ, ਮਹਿਰੂਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਹਿ ਜਾਣ। ਇਸ ਕਰੀ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਵਿਭਾਗ ਆਸਿਆ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਗਏ ਦਿਸ਼ਾ ਨਿਰਦੇਸ਼ਾਂ ਦਾ ਪਾਲਣ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਅਸੀਂ WhatsApp ਗਰੁੱਪ, Facebook पेज, गूगल मीट और जूम क्लासेस दी अपनाते हुए उनके राय बच्चे के नाम से जुड़े हुए रहे।
This summer vacation, though it was a bit unusual one due to pandemic and long lockdown, but we got some time to get reconnected with our families, to pursue some hobbies that we have. I personally pursued hobbies like gardening, growing some organic vegetables, planting some beautiful flowers, listening to music. I remember a ghazal, दिल ढूंढता है फिर वही फुर्सत के रात दिन. But this time we really got fursat ke raat din. Above all, I tried to follow the guidelines which is being provided to us from time to time by our Directorate of School Education. After pandemic, when the school will open, we will go and teach our students with lots of spirit and with a rejuvenated soul.
Every year we have summer vacations, but this year's summer vacations were a bit different from the previous ones, as we are facing great many challenges of COVID-19. During these vacations, our worthy director ma'am, Mrs. Anuradha Gupta, took a great initiative to overcome the challenges being faced by all of us. We attended many webinars along with the students and took their online virtual classes and followed all the weekly activities being issued by the Directorate. No doubt, this pandemic has brought us more closer to our families and explore our hidden talents. We should all follow the guidelines being issued by the government as well as the Directorate. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Life is not about waiting for the storm to pass. It's all about learning to dance in the rain. And I think Directorate School Education has made the best use of it in making our summer vacations in spite of the stress and so much of chaos created during the COVID-19 pandemic. They made it stress-free, full of positivity by introducing so many activities like the yoga activity, activities related to art and craft, cultural and heritage activities. They were all full of fun and the students could make best use of their hidden talent, and we as a teaching faculty could also get involved in it, and it also gave us a new way of teaching as well as a new way of learning. Looking forward to more initiatives so that we can rediscover ourselves and redefine the education system. Thank you.
Summer vacation this year was very different. Nobody expected such summer vacation as this. And we all hope we never get such summer vacation in the future. During this summer vacation, I created a lot of learning materials for my students. Since there were very less online classes, only one a week, I spent most of the time in creating new resources, new videos and audios for my students. I also tried to enhance my own online teaching skills through many different online platforms.
I spend my summer vacations at home with my family and perform lot of activities such as yoga, gardening. I learned lot of things like different languages, different cultures through the activities which are organized by our Directorate of School Education, and also I had discovered a hidden talent of cooking.
So today I am here to share my experience of summer vacation. This year's summer vacation was one of the best I have ever had. As we are experiencing a global pandemic which is defining global health crisis of our time and the greatest challenge we have ever had since World War II. These things our school staff is also helping us a lot, as they have also started taking online classes and also have made WhatsApp groups through which they send us the notes for every chapter. Our teachers are also putting a lot of efforts and hard work so that our studying doesn't suffer even in this pandemic.
Holidays are the best time as it gives us a chance to explore new things. This time vacations were different as it came in lockdown period. In these vacations I had not visited any place. I spent my whole time at my home with my family. I have planted variety of fruit plants, vegetable plants and flower plants. In these vacations I played many indoor games. I have a craft hobby, so I have made many small crafts with the help of my family and internet. I also helped my mother in some household works. During this lockdown, I have a different experience of online classes and online webinars which I have never experienced before.
This was the best time when I felt too close to my family. During summer vacation, I have attended a lot of webinars which are related to mental health and organized by Directorate of School Education. During summer vacation, I have discovered a lot of hidden talent in me, like writing, cooking, etc. and I enjoyed a lot with my family.
Summer vacation, I joined online dance classes. I did yoga to keep myself fit. I helped my mother in household activities. I learned many new recipes. I gave time to my hobbies. At last, I thank Directorate Ma'am and School Management for making online activity group in which I can share my hidden talents. Thank you.
Summer vacation is a period of time in which we can enjoy ourselves with our family. But in this pandemic situation, I really had no excitement at all. Though I enjoyed it very much, I attended an art workshop which was conducted by Directorate of our school. And I also tried some new recipes as there was no access to restaurant. I also gave some time to my hobbies like dancing, singing, painting and writing and calligraphy. I did not waste my time at all. I read many motivational books, movies and series which taught me lessons to the life. This pandemic taught me that nothing is permanent. We never expected that life will take such a turn and we will end up being in homes. Thank you.